Make sure to watch until the end for a crazy story about my 100,000 ticket card getting wiped. I am so excited to be here. Today we are at the world's largest Bowlero. This is in Mechanicsville, Virginia. This is also their corporate office next door. So Bowlero Corporation and a large Bowlero center right here. There's 56 bowling lanes here, a full arcade, pool, everything. So let's check it out. Well, this is huge. This is huge. It's so big here. This is crazy. Massive location. Let's show some games. We're starting to show the games. It is half price Wednesday, so that's a good thing. They have a prize counter here too, so we'll definitely show that at the end. So we have this Showtime. I think it's a Showtime, right? It's like the box competition, 4 sides. We're definitely going to show all the prizes at the end. Do not worry. Willie Crash is right here. 1.5 credits. That's only 50 cents a place. It's a half price day. That is awesome. Sink it. Taj Mahal. It's not very big arcade for being the world's largest Bowlero, but it's pretty cool. Wait, that is so weird. Look, 0.74 credits per play. That's like, is that like, yeah, we will clean this out for mini claw products, but I think that's like 17 cents a play. 17 to 20 cents a play. That's literally the world's cheapest claw machine. AirFX. Pop the lock for 500. This is literally so cheap. 1.5 credits on half day. Have regular Monopoly, Minecraft Dungeons. This is never seen before. This is a Nerf arcade at a Bowlero. That is so rare. I do not know. I don't think very many Bowleros have Nerf. That is insane. Then right next to it is a Space Invaders. Space Invaders is very common, but Nerf arcade is not. Some Ice Ball. Ticket Monster. Down the Clown. Beanbag Toss. We do not see that often at Bowlero either, I don't believe. Connect 4 hoops. 2 of this NBA hoops. The small whack and win. And look at this. This is a Flappy Bird at Bowlero. You never see this. This is 0.5 credits per play. That is like, how much is that? 17 cents per play. 17 cents per play. Isn't that just insane? That's so cheap. No, 0.5 is less than that. It's like 13 cents per play. Credits. Isn't that so cheap, guys? Like 13 cents per play. Here's Power Roll right here for 500. Look at this Hungry Hippos out of Bowlero. That's insane. Drop it over here. This is 1.5 credits, about 40 cents a play, 50 cents maybe, depending on how much money you spend and if you get Groupons or not. Okay, why are these amounts so weird? Like 2.24 credits. Like what? But if it's normally 4.5, why not make it 0.25? Like that's so weird. Tons of tickets. Some big amounts in there. Screwball. That's a fun game. Avengers. That is awesome. Nitro Trucks. If I didn't show Monopoly Roll and Go. There's air hockey over there. Some Angry Birds Coin Crash. 2 of the DC Superheroes Coin Pusher. Quick Drop for $5.35. Put some like advertisements on there. 1.5 credits. That's really good. That's like a coupon, I guess. I don't know. Subway Surfers. Crank It. That's also kind of rare. It's literally 0.5 credits. That is 15 cents a play. This is the cheapest arcade ever. Come on Wednesday. You can literally play so many games. Like buy Groupons or buy your credits in bulk. Come on Wednesday. It's insane. We have a grab and win here. And is that all the games? I think I showed most of the games. Yeah. So, there's a boxing game over here. But yeah, it's a really small Bowlero arcade. But it is the world's largest center. So I think I'm going to walk you guys around and show you guys some of the bowling. And they have a little pro shop and stuff here, which is really cool. But that is the boxing game. So this is actually a huge location. I'll show you the prize counter. This is the prizes for you. Oh my gosh. I need that Bowlero skateboard. We flew here and we have 5 checked bags, but I don't know if that's going to fit in a checked bag. I really want that Bowlero skateboard, but I don't know if it'll fit in our bag. Yeah, I don't know. I hope it does, but I'm not sure. Then, oh, they have some LED strips here. It's 100 tickets cheaper than Dave & Buster's, and we bought like 6 of them at the Dave & Buster's today. I want that skateboard so bad, seriously. Then we have some of your smaller candy type of stuff. A prize counter is nice and rare though, because I'm not surprised it's not just a random prize hub. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Projector. Wow. That Yoda thing is really cool for $2,900. Then there's the 18,000 digital projector. And then there's this Mercedes car below it. Those are some cool big prizes to save up for.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah. No, we're not getting anything.
Not yet.
No, we're just filming. And then there's some of their cheaper stuff. So that's mostly it for the prize area. I want to just walk around and show you guys some other parts of the center, then we're going to play some games. So the reason that I am not walking around showing the center, playing any other games in this next clip is because something crazy happened. So I went over to the kiosk to swipe my cards. I knew I had around 100,000 tickets because I was just at a different Bowlero the day before. And I swipe all of my cards. Every single card is zeroed out. 0 tickets, 0 credits. So of course I freak out about my Bowlero cards getting wiped. And I talked to management. The cards were not actually wiped. But what happened is this location, since it is the headquarters, the corporate office, this is a test location. So they're testing a lot of different ideas here to bring to other stores. Like that's why we saw some weird things like 2.24 credits and just some random things like that, because they are testing things to try out at different Bowleros. So the arcade cards here, it is a whole different intercard system. They're not grouped together like every other Bowlero. So you cannot use Bowlero tickets from other locations, and you cannot use the Bowlero tickets here at other locations. So my card did not get wiped. Thank you guys for watching this video. I found some random pictures kind of on Google so I can kind of show you guys what this place looks like. But this was the world's largest Bowlero, the headquarters corporate office in Virginia. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. We'll see you in the next one.